turn signals. There we go. I was about to start the video, and he just shows me this decal.
Hot tail, a little bit of hot tail nathangd.
This money been doing something to me. Like, why did I go spend that much on these jeans? They want me caged, I can't wait till I'm free.
We're taking the LED lights off. I never even showed you guys that video. I made a video for it. I never even used them. I hate them. But putting that new tail light on. Update, taking everything off.
Sir.
All right, we just got the zip tie off to get the OEM light disconnected from down here. I have to pull this off as well. Now I can take this out. It's kind of hard holding the camera and doing this. Oh, it's right here. And take this out. Disconnect the light. It's going to get another zip tie for me. Take this all out. So this connects all the way to the light under there. If you guys can see it, it's kind of hard. Give me 1 second. I'm gonna take this off now. There we go. OEM tail light out. And we got this one. The new clear one. So it'll match the white on the bike. All right, we finally got the light on, boys and girls. If any females watching, it's a hazard light. Dang, it has the seizure brake lights. But yeah, it's clear now. It matches the bike better. Look at our professional bike shop we're in. All right, we put the seat back on. We're getting everything back on now. Just tightening everything. Put a few zip ties on there, all around the wiring. Be all nice and clean. Took those ugly LED lights off. Yeah, then we're gonna put this back on. Just clip under there. Ignore my tires, bro. My new tires coming tomorrow. Don't look at those. You didn't see that. All right, so we got everything ready. He's gonna start it up for us. We got the turn signals. There we go. And that's the hazard lights. But I like the turn signals, so they look fire. Looks clean. Look at them tires, baby. It's okay, we got Pirelli Diablo Rosso 4s on the way. So they're gonna last a lot longer than the little stock OEM tires. Thanks to Mikey at Honda, baby.
What's up, guys? Nathan GD here. Sorry to interrupt the video. Before we continue on in today's video, I need you guys to head over to xcfamily.com. Did do a new merch drop, as you can see here. Originals collection. Cop a shirt, hoodie, hat, case, doesn't matter. We also do have a flag as well in here. The wall coming out with a black one as well. We have a gaming mouse pad right here for your setup. But yeah, head over to xcfamily.com. Go cop some merch to support the channel. If you guys are enjoying the video, let's jump right back into it.
You guys enjoyed today's video. We do have more parts on the way, so we'll be uploading a new video soon. Leave a like, subscribe. Hope you enjoyed the video. Peace.
I'm sending letters to my angels, hope you get my message. If I don't get this bitch no money, she gon' say I'm petty. Chris just like my brother, it feel like we Ed and Eddie. Okay, them drugs kicking in, bro punch me in, I said I'm ready. I put some cash on my wrist, it got my